Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The fastest muscle on the human body does its thing in the blink of an eye, literally, because it is just that, the eye when it blinks. And this happens in a fraction of a second. Now, when I say one, that's a second. And the blink happens, they say, in about 1/10 of a second. So that one cut up into 10 pieces, one of those pieces is the amount of time that it takes for this muscle to work. Scientists or researchers have tried to study and find out what actually happens other than the fact that our eyes are cleaned in this fraction of a second. So they had some people watch something and then study their brains or monitor their brains to see what types of things happened when they blinked. And what they found was that there's an area of the brain that controls the attention, and the brain activity during the blink went down. And then there's another part of the brain that controls what they call the default mode network. And here the levels spiked. It's the part of the brain that it is active during wakeful rest. And this part of the brain, the levels went up. So what they suggested or concluded from this is that during these blinks that we have, it's a moment that we actually rest. So while we're taking in information with our ears and with our eyes throughout the day, these blinks are actual moments of rest that we can regroup thoughts and focus better and pay more attention, according to this conclusion. With or without that, we know that if you were to take a rag and clean something, first you would have to notice the dirt, and then eventually that rag would get dirty and you would have to wash that rag as well. But the dirt that lands on our eyes gets wiped away when we blink, that our vision can stay clear, our eyes don't dry up. And if the other study is included, then that also means that we get these moments of rest and regrouping. And all of this comes without us having to clean the inside of our eyelids, as it would be the case with a rag. And it also comes without us having to notice the dirt or the amount of dirt that's on the eye to clean it, because it all happens involuntarily. We don't control it. And this is just another one of the many ways that it's clear that I say, or why I say, and why I believe you all should say, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.